I'm on a railway track. So this is a automatic railway changer. And everywhere I see, we have to change with the hand. And if two trains come, so the one train will go on that side, one train will go on that side.
Okay. The left one going to where?
Huh?
The left track is going to where? Wait.
If aluminum bunker comes, so the aluminum bunker will go on that side.
That is for path for smelter plant.
It goes for smelter plant, and when cold train comes, that side it goes to Nalco.
Okay, the right track, right?
Yes.
That is also, both are Nalco. This is for CPP plant.
Yes.
Power
CPP
plant. Captive power plant.
Yes. And this is a machine.
Okay.
To change, if we have to change if train does not want to go, the bunker bunker train will go on that side, so
They will change from here, right?
they will change.
Okay. So we'll stop the video. Thank you.